Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we have to subtract 3. We have to subtract 3 from the given number. So what we'll do, we'll take out 3 fingers. So Ronald, show me your 3 fingers.
Sure, manchiga zoom పెట్టు 3 ఇట్లా zoom పెట్టు.
Yeah. Now Ronald, start counting backward. What comes just before 56?
55,
Yes.
54, 53.
Very good. So answer is 5, 3, 53. So we will write here 5, 3, 53. Very good, Ronald. Answer is 5, 3, 53. Yes. Okay. Advait Gujja. Advait. Advait Gujja, am I audible to you? Advait. Advait Gujja, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, Advait, please camera on. Switch on your camera.
Come.
Advait, camera on and show me your 3 fingers. Show me your 3 fingers. Yeah. So now from 21 you have to subtract 3. So what comes just before 21? Before backward counting. What comes just before 21? Tell me. 20, yes. Then
Now.
what comes just before 20? Fast, Advait.
Fast. Loud.
20, 20,
Advait, I'm waiting.
23,
Wrong. You have to count backward, not forward. What comes just before 21? 20. Now tell me what comes just before 20.
20,
Advait, what comes just before 20?
20, 80.
18 is the answer. Okay. That's correct. Answer is 18. So we will write here 18. Okay. Now next. Sai Ritvik, please unmute yourself. Sai Ritvik, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sai Ritvik, show me your 3 fingers. 3 fingers, Sai Ritvik.
Three fingers.
Show me your 3 fingers, Sai Ritvik. Sit properly.
Not this.
Only 3 fingers. Yeah. Now tell me what comes just before 75. Question is number is 75. What comes just before 75?
24,
Yes. Then?
73,
Yes.
72.
Very good. So answer is 7272. Very good, side. So answer is 7272. Children, we'll write here 72. Okay, now next. This is 67. Ashita,
Ma'am.
show me your 3 fingers. Yes. Now number is 67. Tell me what comes just before 67.
68,
No.
60.
No, before. Not after.
66.
Yes. So close one finger. Ashita, show me your fingers. I'm unable to see your fingers. Yeah. 60. Close one finger. 66. And before 66.
65.
Very good. And then
64.
yes. So answer is 6464. So we will write here 64. Okay, that's the correct answer. Very good, Ashrita. Okay, children. So with this, we have completed this question number 9. So I'll clear all this. I hope nobody is writing. Fine. Yeah. Okay, children. So now take out your math textbook. I'll tell you the page number. You have to open your math textbook. Children, please open page number 7474 of your math textbook. That is, I did it mathematics. Open page number 7474 of your math textbook. This is my practice time 3. This is my practice time 3. Write date in classwork quickly. Okay, fine. So now we'll start. Our first question is, I'll read the first question. Remaining question you all have to read. This is subtract the following. Subtract the following. Okay. Now the question is, your first bit is 3, 4, 34 minus 3. Children, don't forget to read this minus sign. This is 34 minus 3. Okay. So whenever we are subtracting two numbers, we always start subtracting from ones place. And in ones place, numbers are 4 and 3. Numbers are 4 and 3. So now what we have to do? From this 4, we have to take away 3. From this 4, we have to take away 3. So what we will do? We will take out our 4 fingers. What we'll do, whatever is our first number is 4 here, we will take out fingers according to that number, right? So our first number is 4, so we will take out our 4 fingers, and from those 4 fingers, we will remove 3 fingers. Look at how we are going to do this. Now see here, I'll tell you one example. We did this earlier also, but again, I'll repeat this. So what we'll do, your first number is 4, right? Your first number is 4. So we'll take out 4 fingers. And from these 4 fingers, we will remove how many fingers? 3 fingers, because beside this minus sign number is 3. So we'll remove 3 fingers, 1, 2, and 3. So how many fingers are left? Only 1 finger is left. So this means 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we'll write here. We'll write here 1, right? And since there is one number in tens place, that is 3, so we will write that number as it is. So what is the answer? Answer is 3131. Answer is 3131, right? Suryansh.
Yes, now.
Yes, Suryansh, please read bit B, second bit. Read that question first.
It is
46
minus 2.
Very good. This is 46 minus 2. Very good. So now tell me, Suryansh, how many fingers you will take out? What is your first number?
6. First number 6 and 6.
6. Now how many fingers you will remove from these 6 fingers?
2.
Yeah, remove your 2 fingers. Show me your 6 fingers, Suryansh. Yeah. Suryansh, look here. These are your 6 fingers, right? Now remove 2 fingers. 1 and then 2. Surya, look here. Suryansh, show me your 6 fingers. Show me.
After 6 fingers, you picked
Show me your other hand also. Yeah. Now remove 2 fingers. 1, close it. 1 and then 2. Close it. How many are left now?
4.
Yeah. So answer is 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. We'll write here 4. And in tens place, what we'll write, Suryansh?
Next double next 4. Next
What we'll write in tens place?
44.
Yes, answer is 4, 4, 44, and in tens place we'll write 4 because there is only one number in tens place, that is 4, so we'll write that 4 as it is. So answer is 4, 4, 44. Okay. Tarini? Tarini? Tarini, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Okay, Tarini. So please read third question, that is bit C. Read that question. Two seven.
27.
Yeah, this is 27, 27.
27.
Yeah, 27. Then you have to read the symbol. This is minus symbol. So 27.
23.
Okay, answer is 23. That's correct, Tarini. But you should know how to read the question also, right? So how you will read this? You will read it as 27 minus 4. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Minus
now read
4
it.
equals
So 27 minus 4. Okay? Now show me your 7 fingers. Yeah. Now remove 4 fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many are left? Tarini, show me your 7 fingers.
Miss, she did, but little. She did already, but little bit scared to talk.
What, ma'am?
She did already, but Tarini did problem, but she's little bit scared to talk.
Why? She should feel free to talk. Tarini, feel free to talk, okay? No need to get scared or anything like that.
Yeah, you should be 27. 7 minus 4.
Okay,
7 fingers.
so now Tarini, show me
Remove.
your 7 fingers.
3, 4.
Yeah, so how many fingers are left? Okay, now remove
1,
4 fingers.
2, 3, 4.
Yeah, very good. So what we'll do, we'll write 3 in ones place. Okay, Tarini, what we will write in tens place?
2.
Very good. So we'll write 2 because there is only one number, that is 2. So what is the answer?
23.
Very good. So answer is 2, 3, 23. Very good, Tarini. That's the correct answer. And no need to get scared or anything like that. Just feel free. Okay. Now next side, Joshit, please read bit F. Sorry, bit D, fourth bit.
43 minus 2.
Very good. So this is 43 minus 2. So tell me 3 minus 2 how much?
3 minus 2.
Yeah.
1.
Very good. So we will write 1 in ones place. And what we will write in tens place?
4.
Very good. So answer is?
Under 4, 141.
Very good, Sai Joshi. The answer is 4141. Tanvisri, next question. Bit E. Tanvisri, fifth bit. Yeah, please read fifth bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read fifth bit. Bit E. Very good. So this is 37 minus 4. So how many fingers you will?
7 minus 4.
Very good. So now how many fingers you will show? Take out yours. How many fingers you will take out?
7.
Huh?
7,
Yeah.
ma'am.
7. And now from these 7 fingers, how many you will remove? Beside, yeah. So remove 4 fingers. Close your fingers one by one. Yeah.
2, 3,
Yeah. How many are left?
Ma'am, answer is 3.
Yeah, 3 fingers are left. So we will write here 3 in ones place.
3.
And what we will write in tens place? Tanvishree, what we will write in tens place?
3.
Very good. So what is the answer now?
3.
Yes. So very good, Tanvishree. So answer is 333. Okay. Arohi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, bit F, sixth bit. Read the question. Yes, read the question first.
17 minus 5.
Very good. So this is 17 minus 5. So how many fingers you will take out?
5.
No, no. How many fingers you will take out? What is your first number?
7.
So show me your 7 fingers. Show me your 7 fingers. Yeah. Now from these 7 fingers, how many you will remove?
5.
Remove 5 fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many are left?
2.
So we'll write 2 in ones place. Very good. And what we'll write in tens place?
1.
Very good. So now what is the answer?
12.
Yes, answer is 1 to 12. Very good, Arohi. Mayuri,
Ma'am.
yes, please read bit G. Wait, wait, wait. Yes, Mayuri, read bit G.
Ma'am.
Read question.
24 minus 3
Yeah,
is
24 minus
equal
3.
to
Okay, 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 Mayuri, show me your 4 fingers first.
4 fingers, ma'am.
How many you will remove?
3.
Now remove 3 fingers.
I remove, ma'am.
How many are left?
1.
Very good. So we'll write 1 in ones place. And what we'll write in tens place?
2.
Very good. So what is the answer? What is the answer, Mayuri?
2 and 21.
Very good. So answer is 2, 1, 21. Very good, Mayuri. Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Janvi, please read question number H. Bit H.
39 minus 6.
39 minus 6. Very good. So how many fingers you will take out?
3 fingers.
No. No. What is your first number?
6 fingers.
Janvi, what is your first number? 9 or 6?
9.
Yeah. So you'll take out 9 fingers. And from these 9 fingers, how many you will remove?
6.
Yeah. Now remove 6 fingers and tell me how many are left. How many fingers are left?
3.
Yeah. 3 fingers are left. So we'll write here 3 in ones place. And what we will write in tens place?
3.
What is the answer now?
33.
Yeah, answer is 33. Okay, that's correct. Fine. Okay, children, is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? No? Okay, fine. I'll clear all this. Yes, children, now question number 2 on the same page. Page number 74, question number 2. You have to subtract by counting backwards. We did this yesterday also, right? And today also we did few questions. So you have to subtract by counting backward. So this is how you will read this question. This is 43 minus 2. This is 43. Your first bit is 43 minus 2. You all should know how to read the question, right? So what we have to do is, we have to start counting backward now. We have to start counting backward. Now, so 100,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Anvit. So the first question is 43 minus 2. So we'll start from which number?
From that, 33 minus 2.
33 minus
So what we'll do, okay, Hanvit, I'll tell you one example and then we'll go. Okay, first question I'll tell you and then I'll ask you. See here, children, what we'll do, we'll start from 43. We'll start from 43 and then we'll start counting backward and then we'll go backward. So this is 43 minus 2. Your first number is 43 here, right? So we will start from that number only. So we will start from 43. Okay. Then we have to count backwards. So what comes just before 43? 42. So we'll write here 42 in the first box, right? And what comes just before 42? 41. So we'll write 41 in the next box. So what is the answer? Answer is 4141. Answer is 4141. So we will write this beside equal to sign. We'll write this inside this box. So answer is 4141. Okay, answer is 4141. Right? Now, 100. 100, read next question. Bit B. Second bit.
36 minus 5.
Very good. So we'll start from which number?
36.
Very good. So we'll start from 36. So we'll write here 36. Okay. Now tell me what comes just before 36.
33.
No. What comes just
35.
35? Okay. Very good. Then the next box.
34.
Very good. 34. Then next. What comes just?
33.
Very good. 33. Then
32.
32. Very good. And then
31.
31. So what is the answer now?
31.
Yes, we got last number as 31. So that is our answer. So we will write it beside equal to sign. Very good, Hanvid. So answer is 3131. That's correct. Yes, now next. Sudhamsh. Sudhamsh. Sudhamsh, are you there? Sudhamsh.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Sudhamsh. Read third bit. Bit C. 28. Yes, Sudhamsh.
27.
No, don't tell me the answer. I said 28. Read the question first. 28.
Minus 4.
Very good. So this is 28 minus 4. So we will start from which number?
28.
Very good. So we'll write here 28 first. Now tell me what comes just before 28. Tell me.
27.
27. Then what comes just before 27?
26.
26. Very good. Then
25.
25. Very good. And then
24.
24. Okay. So now tell me what is the answer? What we should write beside equal to sign?
24.
24. Very good, Sudhan. So answer is 2, 4, 24. Okay, that's the correct answer. Okay, that's correct. Now next. Excuse me. Ketan. Ketan. Ketan.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ketan, read last bit. Bit D, fourth bit. (32).
32
Yes, read the question.
minus
Yes.
33.
No, read the question. 32 minus. After minus sign, what is the number?
32
minus
32
minus
minus.
31.
No.
1.
Now read that question again.
31 minus 1.
Wrong.
Answer is 32.
Ketan, you said everything wrong. Everything wrong. What is this? You are unable to read the question also. Look in your book carefully and then read fourth bit. 3, 2, 32 minus.
1.
Yeah. So this is 32 minus 1. So we'll start from which number?
32, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll start from 32. Now tell me what comes just before 32?
31, ma'am.
31. Yes. 31 comes just before 32. So now tell me what is the answer? Ketan,
Ma'am,
what is the answer?
31.
Answer is 3131. Yes, write this answer, everyone. Okay. Now, okay. First, tell me, is there anyone who is still writing? You can use raise hand option. Is there anyone who is still writing? No? Okay. Fine. So I'm clearing all this. Yes, children, now come to page number 7676. 7676, children. Turn the page, come to page number 7676. What problems are there? 7676. Write date in classwork. Open page number 7676. Write date in classwork. Okay, now. So I'll read first question for you. This is Amit has 16 fish in his aquarium. He gives 5 of them to his friend. How many fish are left in Amit's aquarium now? So there's one boy, Amit. He has 16 fish in his aquarium. Okay? And out of those 16 fish, he gives away 5 to his friend. Out of those 16, he gave 5 fish to his friend. Now they are asking how many fish are left in the aquarium. Now, if you will look at the question carefully, left word is there. I have underlined this word. Left word is there. This means you have to do subtraction, right? You have to do subtraction, right? So now what we'll do, we will subtract these two numbers. So from 16, we have to subtract 5 now. From 16,